Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Today we're diving into modal verbs. Those little words helps you express possibility, ability, permission and obligation. The modal verb can is used for ability or possibility, could for polite requests, may for permission or possibility, might for lower possibility, and must for obligation or necessity. Let's start with can and could. These words are versatile and used in various contexts. Both are often used to talk about ability, but there's a subtle difference. Can refers to a present ability, something you can do right now. For example, I can swim means you know how to swim and can do it now. Could often refers to a past ability, something you were able to do before. For instance, I could run a marathon when I was younger means you had that ability in the past. These words also express possibility and permission. Both can and could can be used to ask for permission. Can is more informal and direct, while the could is more polite. For example, can I go to the party is casual, whereas could I borrow your pen please is more polite. Using could instead of can make you sound more polite. Think about the context: current ability, past ability, or asking for permission. Mastering these nuances makes your English sound more natural. Keep practicing, and soon using can and could correctly will become second nature. Happy learning. Alright, let's look at an example. Imagine you're at a pool party and someone asks if you want to join them for a swim. You confidently say, I can swim. Here, you're using can to express your ability to swim. See how effortless that was? Let's rewind the clock. I could run so fast when I was young. I felt like I could outrun the wind. Could expresses a past ability. Modal verbs are powerful tools for storytelling. Can I leave early? Let's talk about permission. Imagine you need to leave early for an appointment. You might ask, can I leave early today? I have an appointment. Here, you're using can to ask for permission informally. It's a direct question, suitable for casual settings. Your tone and relationship with the person will influence the response. Could I borrow your pen? Imagine you're in a meeting and need a pen. You could ask, could I borrow your pen, please? Using could makes your request polite. It shows you're considering their willingness to help. Mastering can and could will elevate your English. May versus might, possibility, permission. Now let's move on to may and might. These two words are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct nuances. Both may and might express possibility. May suggests a higher probability, while might indicates a lower one. May implies a good chance of something happening. Might suggests it's less likely to occur. For example, she may be late for the meeting suggests a reasonable chance of her being late. This indicates a higher likelihood. She might be late for the meeting suggests it's possible but not very likely. This indicates a lower chance. Understanding these nuances can enhance your communication skills. Example 12. She may be late. Picture this. You're waiting for a friend and you get a text saying she's stuck in traffic. You could tell the waiter she may be a little late, but we'd like to order drinks. Here, may expresses a real possibility. She'll likely be delayed. It's not certain, but it's likely based on the situation. Example 13. He might come to the party. Imagine you're planning a party and someone asks if your out-of-town friend is coming. You might say he might come to the party, but he hasn't confirmed yet. Might shows you're unsure if your friend will make it. There's a chance he'll come, but it's not certain. See how might helps you express uncertainty. May I go now? May is used to ask for permission. It is more formal and polite than a can. For example, you would ask, may I go to the restroom, please? This shows respect for the teacher and the setting. Let's wrap up with a must and have to. Both express necessity or obligation, but there's a subtle difference. Must is an internal obligation, something you personally believe is necessary. For example, I must finish this project tonight. It's something you feel strongly about. Have to is an external obligation required by someone else or circumstances. Imagine you're driving with a friend who forgets to put on their seatbelt. You must wear a seatbelt. It's the law. Use must to emphasize the importance. It's a rule that needs to be followed. Imagine your boss gives you an assignment with a strict deadline. They say you have to finish this report by Friday. Here, have to shows an obligation from your boss and the deadline. Mastering must and have to helps you express necessity accurately. That's it for today's lesson on modal verbs. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss future lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.